Hello, number block fans. Let's practice doing the number blocks from 21 to 30 today. Yes, let's get started. We have so many colorful blocks to get started. But before that, I have two number blocks here. Number block 5 and 10. Looks like they are having a nice friendship bond. Yes, number block 5 and 10 are talking. Okay, 1, 2, and 3. Oh my god, surprise! We have a beautiful box here. This is the box of number blocks from 21 to 30. So first we're going to make number block 21, which is made of 20 apricot or light orange blocks and one red block, and she's the sixth member of the step squad family, and she is often seen wearing a indigo mask, a green Tyrolean hat which has feathers, a rainbow feathers, and she's often seen with a camping bag and walking sticks. She loves to explore and discover. Hello, brave explorer. I am number block 21. This is the number link that I'm putting here, and this is our number block 21. Let's make the rest of the number blocks together. Hi. Next number block is number block 22, which is made of 20 orange or light orange building block and 2 dark orange block. So we're going to align 5 blocks in a 4 rows and put the 2 number blocks on top and make our number block 22, and then put the faceplates and finally the number link. The next number block is number block 23, which is made of 20 light orange or apricot color number blocks and 3 yellow blocks, and we put the faceplates and number link. And the next one is number block 24, which is made of 20 light orange blocks and 4 green blocks. So we're going to put the green blocks together just like as the picture and set the light orange building blocks around the green blocks and try to make our number block 24. So 24 is a friendly, energetic and positive number blocks, and she likes to race with other number blocks. Isn't it so exciting? Yes, number block 24. So next we are going to put the faceplates. Yes, this is the eyes and the mouth of number block 24, and then we're going to put the number link. So that's our number block 24. Next one is our number block 25. So we're going to take our 20 light orange or apricot colored number blocks and then align them just like as the card. So there are going to be 5 number blocks in 4 rows, and then we simply put the 5 cyan colored or blue colored number blocks together and make our number block 25. So number block 25 is a member of square family. So it's 5 times 5 is 25. And finally, we put our faceplates and the number link. And finally, make the number block 25. Yes, 25 loves the pattern and the square. So finally is our 25. The next one is number block 26, which is made of 20 light orange building blocks and 6 indigo building blocks. So just like this image, we're going to make number block 26, first putting the light orange 2 blocks and then putting the 4 blocks on the side, and then on around we are going to put our 6 indigo blocks. So number block 26 is a secret agent. Yes, he's oftentimes seen with a bowler hat, sunglass and a tie. And he can split into 213. So now it's the time we put the number blocks, sunglasses, the faceplate, the bow, of course, or the tie, and then the rest of the faceplates. So this is our number block 26. Now we are waiting for the number link. And the hat, of course, it has a spying hat. Isn't it so cool? Yes, we're going to put the spying hat on top nicely and softly. It has a very good sharp end, so you have to just match it. And then number block 26 number link. The next number block is number block 27. It is one of the colorful number blocks in the Numberland. So She is made of 20 light orange number blocks and the 7 rainbow colors from the number 7. So we're going to arrange the numbers according to our rainbows, like the purple, indigo, and then cyan, then green, then yellow, then orange, and then red. So we make the number 7 first, and on around the number 7 we are going to rotate the light orange color or the apricot color blocks, and we are going to make our beautiful number block 27. And number block 27 is a family. She is a member of a cube family. It means that 3 times 3 times 3 is 27. Yes, and she loves to help her fellow number blocks. She is very well known for helping other number blocks. So finally we made our number block 27, and we are waiting for the faceplates. Yes, the beautiful faceplates with the mask, with the purple mask, and the numberling 27. The next one is number block 28, and she is made of 20 apricot or light orange building blocks with 8 magenta. Yes, these are the 8 magenta window shape number blocks, and we are going to make the window first, and then on the bottom we will add the 20 light orange or apricot colored number blocks, just like following the number plate. So number block 28 is a family of step squad. It means that if you add 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7, it becomes 28. So she is a fantastic member of the step squad family. Isn't it so great? Yes. So once we arrange making the number block 28, so this is basically a shape of a window. You will see 4 windows together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Actually 5 windows. Yes. Then we are going to put the faceplate and the numberling, which is number block 28. The last, not the last one. So this is number block 29. It is made of 20 apricot building block and 9 gray color building block. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to arrange the 20 first, just like we make 20. We make 20 and then put 9 numbers on the side. That becomes our number block 29. And 29 is a prime number. So it means it can be divided by 1 or by itself. So then we put the numbers, the faceplates, the eyes, mouth, eyebrows, and there are very specific. 29 belongs to specific clubs, so we put all the clubs, and that's our 29. And the last one is number block 30, which is made of 30 light yellow colors. Yes, we just simply put the 30 number blocks side by side in 3 rows, and then we put the face, the mouth, and a beautiful hat and the numberling. And number block, this is number block 30.